Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. I love Italian ricotta cheese because it's so versatile. It can be used as an ingredient for pizza, pasta, or even desserts. Now, depending on the moisture content, you might have to drain it so your recipes don't get soggy or heavy. Here's a simple way to do it. So my friends, let's get cooking.
We'll place a fine sieve over a bowl. Now, if you can find one without a big handle, it's even better. So we'll place a cheesecloth over, big enough to cover the entire sieve and slightly over the edges. Next, we'll spoon the ricotta in the cheesecloth and then spread it evenly so it drains better. Right away, we'll see some liquid in the bowl, but it's not enough. So we'll cover and transfer to the fridge for 24 hours to drain it further. The next day, we'll remove from the fridge and uncover. When we lift the sieve, we'll see how much liquid is collected in the bowl. It would have made our dish quite soggy. We'll discard it and proceed with the recipe.
As you saw in this video, it's pretty straightforward, effortless, and you'll be happy with the end results. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!